I'm Chef Maleah from Wa Samaki Ecosystems, and today I'm going to show you how to make a parsley pesto. It's like any other pesto with basil or shadow benny. You would use a nut, some garlic, some oil, which I'm using olive oil. Sometimes people would put Parmesan cheese in it, but I'm doing a dairy-free version today, and just some salt and the fresh parsley from the farm. So for our parsley pesto, we're going to need parsley. We grow it here in pots because it's just a little easier to maintain it versus it being out in the hot sun. It really only gets that morning sun, and then it's in shade for the rest of the day. We've had these plants for years, and we just come and prune it, and it just grows back new parsley. Alright, cool. That should be enough. I'm just gonna pick out the bad leaves from the parsley. The stems of the parsley, I didn't cut them too long, and because it's just so fresh, we don't even really need to take them off. So we're just gonna give this a rinse. Now we're gonna blend our 3 cloves of garlic with some cashews. We like cashews, so that's why I'm using it for the pesto, but you could use pine nuts. I've seen some people use almonds, but ideally a nut without skin or the shell is what you want. Let's just put a little olive oil to help it blend. Then we're going to add in our parsley. Tips of salt, and then put that to blend. So while it's blending, we're just going to stream in our olive oil. Consistency we're looking for. Let's give it a little taste. Yum, that tastes great. And there we have homemade parsley pesto. It's perfect to add to pastas, to make pesto pasta, or as a nice healthy spread for toast. You could add it to pizza. You could even add it to the quiche that we just made. Perfect, yummy, tasty, nutritious pesto.